Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Pipedrive CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you sign up and create a Pipedrive account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a Pipedrive account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to stay on top of each and every potential client, and Pipedrive is a popular CRM to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. Is handled here in their website, pipedrive.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already pulled up their website, and this is the home screen. Now, Pipedrive does offer trial offers from time to time. So once you're here on the website, you want to go ahead and click on one of these purple buttons, try it for free. Okay, once you do that, it's going to open up this sign-in box. So basically, you need to enter in your email address here, and then you have to agree to the terms of service. You can choose to sign up for their email list right here if you want. They do let you know that in order to use the trial, there is no credit card required. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my email address and agree to the terms, and then click on sign up in 2 minutes. Okay, I entered in my email address. Also want to let you know you can sign up with your Google login right down here. I personally prefer to use my email address, so let me click here. Okay, immediately after, Pipedrive does send you an email to verify that is your email. So I'm going to jump on over to my email and grab the 6-digit code and then paste it in here. Next, Pipedrive is going to take you through a little bit of a process in order to sign you up. So you're going to create your account, and then you need to provide a little bit of information about you. So the first thing they're asking for looks like my name. So let me go ahead and enter that in. Okay, and next you want to go ahead and create a password. Okay, next they're going to ask you to put in your phone number. This is required, so let me go ahead and enter that in. Okay, I entered in all the required information. I'm going to click on next. Okay, now they're asking for my job title, so I'm going to click there. And what's your experience with sales tools? And then now they're asking me what I'm going to be using Pipedrive for. Okay, once you filled that out, go ahead and click on next. Okay, now they're going to ask some information about your company, so let me go ahead and fill this out. Okay, so I filled this out. Let me go ahead and click on create account. Okay, now it's processing. Okay, a quick second later, it brings me here to my Pipedrive dashboard. So you can see we've already created the account. Now we can go ahead and start importing our customers and setting up our Pipedrive account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Pipedrive account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.